In this video, I'm going to be showing you my scalping session. We're looking at S&P 500 mini futures. The time frame is 2000 tick chart. I'm going to be using pure price action candlesticks that are being printed on the chart. I have only one supportive indicator. This is the 21 bar expansion moving average. But when I'm analyzing the chart, I can see that the market started with sell-off working lower, nice downtrend, close outside, and now we expect new low to be tested. So I'm predicting bearish bias to continue. Market's going to open in 1 minute, so I cannot take a setup right around the open. But once market opens, then I can start trading again. So we had nice lower high confirmation of the little fell breakout, but the single bar on my chart was quite sketchy, so I didn't place the order. Had the single bar been better, I would have liked the setup more, but we still need to get new low. Alright, so our initial downtrend has a break, a long push to a new extreme. The downtrend was tested. So now I'm going to pause, looking to go short for a while. I'm going to be observing EMA attentively, because if we break strongly above the EMA, we can reverse. If the EMA is going to reject and we're going to go lower, I will reassess, but as of right now, I'm pausing, looking to go short. Downtrend played out. I decided to redraw additional wider spike and channel pattern, because instead of market reversing, we have two legs up, push back below EMA. So this is not indicating reversal. As you can see, we're going quite sideways, but as of right now, I expect new low for this downtrend. So felt second entry long below EMA would be good. Because prices keep trending lower, I'm drawing a wide spike and a channel pattern working lower. Right traders, I'm resuming the video because I just entered new low first entry short, pullback, second entry short failure, double trap. There's a big bearish bar, we're closing below EMA. The structure of the market is bearish, but it looks like the market may reverse on us here. But I still like the setup, great bearish bar, new low first entry short, second entry short, horrible inside bar, so I cannot sell, inside bar. And then we have a double trap, big bearish bar. We are in a bearish trend down. So my stop loss goes one tick above the signal bar. I have to scalp 7 contracts for 2 points and leave 1 contract as a runner in case market keeps going lower. So we've established the big pattern, which is bearish. EMA is rejecting here, here, and here. So this is a great opportunity for me to sell at the EMA. Okay, and we got filled. It looked quite scary for a while because it almost reversed on us. EMA rejected prices and we managed to get the small scalp. So runner is going to be just a bonus. Let's see if we can get it. Okay, we have a new low, first entry short, pullback, second entry short, but the signal bar is very neutral. We pushed above EMA strongly, so I don't feel confident taking this lower high. Now that we have 2 legs up with the breaking new high, I'm considering lower high confirmation setup. Okay, so I was watching the second entry short visual one, but there was no trigger below this signal bar. It also now is quite stacked, so there's simply no way for me to enter. As you can see, there is no break below this bearish bar low. Also, it was an inside bar. Would have been better had it take 1 tick higher here. So tempting setup, some triple top, visual to like a pullback. The downtrend still continues, the big one. I want to sell when the correction phase will end, but there was no entry here. So prices right now are going sideways. We have flat EMA. I'm waiting for prices to pull back to this resistance, and then I want to see push below EMA. That's the presumption that the sellers are back in the market. If we break below EMA, I will start looking for additional setup, because this big downtrend will need to get new low tested. So the main bias still remains bearish. We're just correcting a little bit longer. You can see we're slowly but surely chopping higher. I'm not really thinking about buying. I just want to see this resistance holding, break below EMA, and expecting new extreme to be tested. So because we keep working lower and we keep working lower, it doesn't really react as a break and new extreme. There is no correction, no reversal. So I'm drawing a wider channel. You can see it still fits pretty well. I still get the second swing confirmation. So in this case, the wider channel is still a decent alternative. And this is what I'm drawing right now. So the trend is still bearish. Right, traders, I'm trying to get fill here on second entry short, breakout pullback, but it looks like it may not fill us here. Yeah, and the scalp was made, so I have to cancel the order. Okay, so this is a breakout pullback. We tested the support that is now acting as a resistance. The downtrend is still in play. New low, first entry short, pullback, second entry short. So I'm combining the second entry short with the breakout pullback, which is great. We're at the EMA. This was a small bar. It dropped lower really quickly, so I didn't really manage to get my limit order in time, and then it never came back. So this is a decent setup, second entry short, breakout pullback, just no fill. We have a 2-legged pullback, breaking new high. So I'm thinking about felt second entry long below EMA to resume the trend now that the correction phase ended. So this is the overall session for today. We're going to go through the structure to see the setups and how the structure developed. We started with very nice downtrend working lower. We had a second entry short, but it is right around the open. There was a decent lower high. The reason why it is marked aggressive is because the signal bar is quite weak. So you need much better bar to consider this as a higher probability setup. But we expect new low. You have a breakout of consolidation. Lower high is confirming it. Then there was no bullish reversal as you saw me adapting to wider downtrend. And then after this massive push phase started, we have to redraw even the bigger spike and channel pattern. New low first entry short. And then because we're just trading a downtrend, we're just resetting the count at each new low and looking for two-legged pullback at the key entry point. New low, second entry short, but I cannot sell above EMA, bullish bar. Double bar entry is simply too gigantic. The scalp was almost made, so we can't really take it. Lower high form bad, as you can see, bullish bar, so I can't really sell below. Bullish bar, so no good signal bar. Then you saw me taking the double trap. Basically, I keep resetting the counts, keep resetting the counts. This second entry short is a bad setup because this is a massive spike above EMA, so expect new high to be tested. This is a horrible signal bar as well. It is neutral bar, so as you can see, this likely needs to get new high, so we have to be careful. After the two-legged pullback form, this is where you would expect to get a lower high below EMA to confirm this. The trend now is quite strong, so only thinking about selling. Lower high below EMA, none of that formed. Consolidation, so no real entry here. Then we're looking for resistance, but it's not really confirmed, so I'm just adjusting it as the price action keeps developing. So I can't really sell because this resistance here is way too subjective. However, prices broke below EMA, so this is confirming, okay, sellers are selling at the key entry point and they're selling the resistance. So you want to see a lower high below EMA or for second entry long. Of course, if you push too far down, do you want to see a regular second entry short? None of the form, just spike down. This is a shame because this is really great confirmation. You'd expect a lower high. There was no pullback. And because market keeps pushing lower, we keep trading the bearish downtrend. Can't really sell above EMA, no good setup here. Nothing really good here. So market is just going sideways. I don't see no good setup here. EMA is flattening, so we have to redraw some consolidation. Uptrend, break, push to new high. Uptrend played out. Triple test combined with the new low first entry short, second entry short can be considered. Your stop loss was not hit because it goes one tick above the signal bar. And then we had a great second entry short breakout. But this is a really nice setup. You're combining the second entry short with the breakout pullback at the EMA. Great entry. The failed second entry long is a little bit more aggressive because it's above EMA. You want to see the second entry long below EMA so that the bulls are trapped. So for this reason, it is more aggressive. I didn't take it. I really wanted to see setup below EMA. And then once we break below EMA, you want to see a lower high confirmation setup here, which never formed. There is no tick higher, so there was no lower high. Market continued to work lower. Our big downtrend is expected to get to new extreme. Uptrend played out with the break, push to new high. So once we push back below EMA, back into trend range, you have a reversal pattern, failed second entry long, followed by new low first entry short, pull back, second entry short. You expect new low, but simply all traders took profit and there was not enough momentum to create new extreme because it's simply too late. So yeah, this is the overall structure. A lot of price action, few decent setups, and I hope you had a good trading day. I'm gonna wrap it up and we're gonna talk to you next time. Good luck in your trading.